wanted to talk to you guys about the BRS mini stove. Quite a lot of the outdoor community at the moment are using these, especially the lightweight backpackers, and well, you can see why. It's really quite small. Only weighs 25 grams, so it's lightweight as well as small. The at the moment they're on eBay for about £9, I think. I'll put the link in the description box, but yeah, it's cracking, and it fits nicely inside my titanium pot. 650 it is, because it fits a C100 canister quite nicely in there, so I'll stick that in. A lighter, a couple of coffee sachets, and off you go. Tiny, absolute tiny, but yeah, they're all right. They're really good. I've not had any problems using it. You can just see the little fans there for the flame. It can be a bit annoying sometimes folding these fingers out, but for £9 you can't complain, can you? They're available in Alp kit, but I think they're about £25, which is twice the price if you get them off eBay. But yeah, I'll turn it on, see what you reckon. Whoosh. No piezo. It's a bit noisy. Not very stealthy, but you know. So yeah, the BRS mini stove. I think they are available from AliExpress as well. If you want to wait a couple of weeks for one, I don't know how much cheaper they will be, but yeah, if you like the lightweight gear and you don't like spending lots of money and feeling thrifty, get yourself one of these. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see any more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.